dyeing this hair into like a brown plum, so I'm super excited. I actually had this wig custom designed for me, and the hair is actually from Dare. So far I love the texture of the hair and everything, but we'll get more into how it does once I actually dye it and lift it. I'm super excited. I hope you all enjoy this video. If so, make sure you press the like button down below and also that subscribe button. Love you all. Let's get started. So now we're all done, almost all done. So this is what the hair looks like right before I'm gonna add the toner on, so we can be all purple. And this right here is where I'm gonna do like a skunk highlight, and I'm gonna do one up here. I'm gonna have to lighten this more so I can get the blonde that I want. But what I did to get my hair like this is I used 40 Developer, the cream developer, and I love, like I said before in some of my other videos, I absolutely love Ion products. I use their dye, and I love this bleach right here. This bleach is bomb if you're trying to go super light. Yeah, it may take a few processes, but it will get the hair to that really light blonde, so you can do those pastel colors and different things like that. So I highly recommend. 10 out of 10. But here we go, about to put the toner on. Hey guys, so I'm here with the final results, and I absolutely love how it came out. The hair is still super soft after going through all the different processings. It still kept its curl, as you can see. So I'm about to go over exactly how I got these colors in my hair. So right here at the very top, I decided to do that new thing that's trending right now, the whole skunk highlight is what they call it. As you can see, it's just in the front. I don't have it in the back. If I part it down the side, then I'll have it on both sides, but I like to wear my hair to the side. So this is how it looks going to the side. To get this color up here, all I used was 40 Developer, the same brand as this developer here, the cream, and then also Ion bleach like I showed you guys earlier. And now to get this color right here that I have on top, it is actually violet brown. I don't really know if you can read that, but I happen to use the Ion. I usually shop at Sally's because I get a great discount there, and they only had one box of the Ion, so then I decided to try the L'Oreal Technique. I actually didn't even have to use this. I just used the one box of Ion, of the Ion brand, and to achieve this at the top. Now down below right here to get this color, I don't know if you can really see, but it's like a plum, a very dark plum color. I happen to just use 20 Developer like I did with the color up top. I used 20 Developer, and then I used like it's called like a blackberry by Ion. I'm so sorry that I can't show you, but I actually don't have the box anymore. I actually used every single last drop, and I only used one box to get this color down at the bottom here, and it's a decent amount. But yes, I'm actually rocking 34 inches in the Bohemian Curl by Dare to Me Hair. I absolutely love their hair. It's super soft. It doesn't really shed. It's like if it does, it's like super light shedding. And it processes so well. Because like I said earlier, like I feel my curls are still intact, and it's super soft. So I absolutely love how it came out, and I hope you all do too. Love you guys. I'll make sure to also drop down all the products down below. Bye!